today's video is on the Jeremy Scott Adidas Forum Wing Low 1.0 shoe. Before we get into the video, I would like to ask you guys to either, like the video and also subscribe. Let's get started on this video though. With this shoe, the reason why I got it, I felt like it was a unique shoe. As I do with most of the shoes that I collect, I get them because I really like them. But yeah, with this shoe, what caught my attention was the wing. Now with the wing, you can actually remove the wing. And as you can see, if you remove the wing, it would look something like this. And then on the other side too, you got the Adidas stripes there. But another unique thing about the wing is that you can either have it like, you can wear it where it's down, or you can wear it flared out. Now the way I prefer to wear them is with the flared out wing. Something else that caught my attention is, with the shoe, it is, covered in dollar bills. And one thing I noticed is, instead of George Washington face on this shoe, or on the dollar bills, his face was replaced with Jeremy Scott's face. And as you can see, I'll give you a closer view. That's Jeremy Scott's face. Also, one thing I noticed was with the sole, the inside, it's like it's rubber and it's comfortable. It kind of reminds me of some of the higher end shoes, which this is considered a higher end shoe because it's Jeremy Scott, but it reminds me of other shoes like the Gucci shoe. It's really comfortable. Most comfortable Adidas I probably have besides the Yeezys. The other thing I noticed was on the back of the tongue, it's another picture of Jeremy Scott's face. Also, something that I just noticed was you got Jeremy Scott's signature on the shoe. I kind of like this design right here. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this shoe. The shoe is not that expensive. Retail, I believe, was $150, and the resale on these is not that bad either. The resale, it varies, but you can get it for a good price, like on StockX and Flight Club. But yeah, I just want to know your guys' thoughts, or I would like to know your thoughts. Just leave a comment. Let me know what you think. What would you rate these? Also, would you wear these? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.